Jeff here, once again with some more life tips for you. Making your own soup and your own stock will help increase your immune system and thereby improve your health. Check out the channel. Lots of these recipes are on the channel. Get cooking today. I've got a brie cheese crouton, and that's my broccoli soup. Hello, Chef here. So today I'm making chicken stock. This is a small quantity. We keep the chicken bones in the freezer. Got all the good stuff in there, the innards, the backbone, little skin, no problem. Goes in a large stock pot, and you add just enough cold water to cover the bones. Other ingredients that are used in chicken stock obviously are onion peels, carrot peels, some garlic or garlic peels, a few peppercorns, and a bay leaf, and that's it. Bring the stock to a boil, reduce heat, let simmer for 1 hour. A good chicken stock is clear, the slight yellowish tint, just like this one. Yeah. Now you simply let it cool, strain it off, put it in small containers and reserve until further use. Please like, share, subscribe. Your soup? Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. Yeah, we gotta have that. Couple more things I wanted to go over. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Hello, Chef here in one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4. And it's one of these, really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay? Towel dry it, that's good. All right, you can tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos, more tricks with this too. We shake it up, we put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay, and we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled, and I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. All right, so that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. And I'll show you one more trick. By utilizing 2 silicone trivets, you can score this and this at the sponsor. Trivets as well. These can go underneath, so you can set them on your countertop. Put the oiled side down, and you're ready to continue your work or your prep or your cooking on this side. Oil this side about a week later, or even the next day. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper. Give it a little scrape. Remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way, okay? This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut. big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. After I'm done prepping the food, I wipe the cutting board off with a damp towel, paper towel, disposable, and finish with a dry kitchen towel. Kills germs naturally. Wow. That's the best cutting surface you could own right there. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale, and wow, it's the best. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours.